Hi, Debbie Chu here from Chew on Vegan, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making potato taquitos. They're going to have some homemade refried beans in them, some avocado, salsa, and I'm going to use my air fryer. Yes, I'm still obsessed with my air fryer. So another air fryer recipe. So we get to do this together and see how it turns out. But first I want to welcome anyone that's new to my channel, and if you haven't been here before, what you'll find on my channel is whole food, healthy recipes. I'm a nurse, so I try to present recipes that are good for your health. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, please subscribe. I would really appreciate it. So let's get started on these taquitos. And I've got a few ingredients over here, so I'm going to bring you closer so you can see what I'm doing. And here we go. The filling for our taquitos will consist of some of these yummy refried beans that I just made in my Instant Pot. We're gonna have some Yukon Gold potatoes. These were just leftover potatoes. I heated them up in the microwave. We're gonna spice them up. We're gonna have some avocado and salsa, and then we're gonna throw them in the air fryer and crisp them up. So the first thing I'm gonna do is get my potatoes into this bowl. And I just, like I said, I just heated these up in the microwave. And then we're just gonna scoop it all out. It's actually easier just to peel them. See, I'm learning. Okay, in the bowl. Then we're gonna mash them up the best we can. Just a rough mash. And let's add some spices. My favorite, onion powder. Oops. A little onion powder. Garlic powder. We're kind of making our own taco seasoning kind of a thing. A little bit of cumin. A little bit of salt, totally optional. And just stir that around. I'm gonna add some smoked paprika too. Then we'll set that aside. Then I've got some avocado here. I had a little one left over, about a quarter, and then I'm going to use a half. We're just going to mash this again, rough mash. And I'm just going to do a little salt, a little onion powder, and a little garlic powder. Kind of a guacamole, but modified. Well, let's throw in some cumin too. Why not? A little bit. All right, set that aside. There will be no oil in this recipe. They should get crisp enough in the air fryer. So I've got some corn tortillas that I just threw in the microwave for, 25 seconds just so they get kind of soft. And let's just start building our taquito. We'll put some beans, a little potato, a little guacamole or avocado, because it's not really guacamole. Let's add a little salsa. We're gonna have more, on the outside when we serve them up. And then we're just gonna roll it up and place them in our air fryer, seam side down. And that is it. So I'm gonna continue making my taquitos, and then I will show you what temperature and how long I'm gonna air fry them for. So I was able to get 6 in here. All right, so we're gonna do 400, and let's go 6 minutes. I will check them after 6 minutes. Let's take a peek. No, I think more time. Let's say 3 minutes. Okay, let's check. Oh yeah. I ended up flipping them. I thought that would be a better way to get them more uniform. So I'm gonna plate this up and we're gonna taste it. Here we are, all finished. I think they came out really good. We'll find out in a minute when I taste them. I just put a little bit more of that avocado on there, some tomatoes, romaine lettuce. I've got some salsa. You could do a cheese sauce, you could do a cashew cream, a guacamole. I mean, whatever you want. Here we go. A little bit hot. Oh my gosh, so good. My gosh, I'm surprising myself. These are definitely good. I really love the combo of the potato and the beans and that avocado inside. So good. So I hope you give this a try. It's good for you, it's good for the animals, and it's good for the planet. And remember, what you put on your plate determines your fate. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. And if you like my t-shirt, the link is in the description box. Until next time, thank you.